25 facts that will completely blow your mind. Get ready to question everything you thought you knew. Welcome back to Cosmic Minds. Today we're diving into 25 mind-blowing facts that will change how you see the world. Let's get started. Did you know that near a black hole, time literally moves slower? Due to extreme gravity, 1 hour near a black hole could equal years on Earth. Einstein's relativity isn't just theory, it's reality. Here's something wild: bananas are naturally radioactive. They contain potassium-40, and nuclear plants actually use something called the banana equivalent dose to measure radiation levels. Saturn is so light that it could float on water. If you had a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float right on top, though it might leave a ring around the tub. Honey literally never goes bad. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs that's still perfectly edible. Its low moisture and acidity make it nature's perfect preservative. All those epic space battles in movies? Completely unrealistic. Sound cannot travel through the vacuum of space. If you could survive there, space would be perfectly, eerily silent. An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to their gills, and 1 pumps blood to the rest of their body. Fun fact: the main heart stops when they swim, which is why they get tired quickly. This next one will blow your mind: it probably rains diamonds on Neptune and Uranus. The extreme pressure and carbon in their atmospheres literally create diamonds falling like rain. You are literally glowing right now. Humans emit a faint light through bioluminescence. It's too weak for our eyes to see, but sensitive cameras can detect it. Here's a myth that needs to die: the Great Wall of China is not visible from space. Even astronauts confirm this fact is completely false. You can't see it without powerful equipment. Your brain can store about 2.5 petabytes of information. That's equivalent to recording 3 million hours of TV shows. Your brain is basically a biological supercomputer. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the building of the Great Pyramid. Think about that for a second. Ancient Egypt lasted thousands of years. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve metal. It's basically battery acid with a pH of around 1.5. Thankfully, your stomach lining completely replaces itself every few days. Oxford University is older than the Aztec Empire. Oxford was founded around 1096, while the Aztecs didn't establish their empire until 1428. European education predates many ancient civilizations. If your eyes were digital cameras, they'd have 576 megapixels. That's why even the most expensive camera phones still can't match what you see with your own eyes. Napoleon wasn't actually short. At 5'7", he was average height for his time. The short Napoleon myth comes from confusion between French and English measurement systems. Your bones are stronger than steel by weight. While steel has higher absolute strength, when you compare strength to weight ratio, bone wins. Evolution is an incredible engineer. Sharks have ruled the oceans for 450 million years. They're older than trees, older than mountains, and have survived 4 mass extinctions. They're basically living fossils. The color blue is new to human language. Many ancient cultures had no word for blue at all, describing the sky and ocean as different shades of green. Lobsters are biologically immortal. They don't age the way humans do. A lobster could theoretically live forever if it avoids predators, disease, and molting complications. Here's a time warp fact: the fax machine was invented in 1843, 33 years before the telephone was patented. We could send documents before we could call each other. Male penguins propose to females by giving them the smoothest, most perfect pebble they can find. If she accepts his pebble gift, they're mated for life. Romance exists in nature. Your childhood memories aren't real, well, not entirely. Every time you remember something, your brain slight. Nintendo was founded in 1889, making playing cards. They've existed through the entire modern era, from horse-drawn carriages to smartphones to space exploration. Elephants can recognize themselves in mirrors, remember drought locations for decades, and hold funeral rituals. They're among the most intelligent creatures on Earth. The Library of Alexandria wasn't burned down in one dramatic event. It slowly declined over centuries due to budget cuts, politics, and changing trade routes. The real story is more boring than the myth. Which fact surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more mind-blowing content just like this. Thanks for watching Cosmic Minds.